Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT 2C. In this video I'll show you how to create an assigned macro. In the beginning, let's go to Logitech G HUB, enter assignments and select macros. Select create macro, name the macro, and now select macro style. No repeat while holding toggle or sequence. Next, you can adjust delays and show key down up. Tap start and select record keystrokes, text emojis, action, launch application, system, delay. Now create your macro. Stop recording, tap save. To assign the macro, select button and select the macro. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.